Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to watch YouTube in your Kia Sportage. First, let's get your phone connected. You'll want to use a high-quality USB cable to link your smartphone to your Kia Sportage's infotainment system. This ensures a stable connection for mirroring. Also, make sure your phone has a reliable internet connection, as this is essential for streaming content. Finally, enable the phone projection feature within your vehicle settings to begin the process. Next, let's look at your car's built-in phone projection. When using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, direct YouTube video playback is usually not supported for safety reasons. However, some Kia Sportage models offer a web link feature. If your vehicle has web link, you can use it for screen mirroring, but you will first need to disable Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in your car's settings to prevent conflicts. If standard projection doesn't meet your needs, third-party adapters can offer full-screen mirroring, often with built-in YouTube and Netflix apps. These typically connect via a USB port. Another option is playing video files directly from a USB drive. Remember, these files should be in MP4 or AVI format and have a resolution of 720 pixels or lower for compatibility with your infotainment system. Above all, safety is paramount. You must always ensure your Kia Sportage is safely parked before attempting to watch any videos on the infotainment screen. Never, under any circumstances, try to view videos while the vehicle is in motion, as this creates a dangerous distraction. Regularly update your smartphone and car's software for optimal performance, and always refer to your owner's manual for detailed information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.